Dear friends, we shall evaluate few integration problems of previous year JEE main exams. These are very essential for the coming JEE exams. Watch and write the answers in your copy. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the future updates. This is our first problem. Integration sin square x cos square x divided by some expression and its square dx. At first sight it may be difficult to you, but this is very simple question. This is taken from 2018 JEE main exam. Friends, I is equal to integration sin square x cos square x and divided by some square, and you see that sin to the power 5x plus sin to the power 3x into cos square x. From these two you can take sin cube x common. So we take sin cube x common, and in bracket sin square x plus cos square x, that is equal to 1, is it? Next, from the second two, this one and that one, you can take maximum cos cube x common. So we take cos cube x and in bracket sin square x plus cos square x, that is again 1. So friends, this is equal to integration sin square x cos square x dx divided by sin cube x plus cos cube x whole square, is it? So from sin cube x and cos cube x, we can take cos cube x common. So we take cos cube x common, and in bracket there will be 1 plus 10 cube x, but there is a square. For this the total will be given as squares. So this is equal to sin square x cos square x and divided by, this is cos to the power 6x. So again we write cos to the power 6x, and this is 1 plus 10 cube x whole square. So we can cancel this cos square x and we shall get here only cos to the power 4x, is it? So friends, this one will be now integration sin square x, and this cos to the power 4x can be written now sec to the power 4x dx divided by 1 plus 10 cube x whole square. Now friends, if you substitute 1 plus 10 cube x as z, then what will happen? See, 1 plus 10 cube x is equal to say z, then it will, if you differentiate this one with respect to x, then you will get 3 10 square x into sec square x dx is equal to dz. That means 10 square x into sec square x dx is equal to dz by 3. So this is in the numerator. But how? Because you know that sin square x into sec square x is equal to 10 square x, and remaining sec square x will be kept it here. So it is actually integration 10 square x into sec square x dx divided by 1 plus 10 cube x whole square. And we now substitute 1 plus 10 cube x is equal to z, and 10 square x into sec square x dx is equal to dz by 3. So we can write, actually this is dz divided by 3 into z square, and this is obviously minus 1 by z into 1/3 plus c, and this is equal to obviously minus 1 by 3 into z. Z is equal to 1 plus 10 cube x, and obviously we see that this is the option is here, first one. Yes, minus 1 upon 3 times 1 plus 10 cube x plus c. This is the result. This problem is taken from JEE main 2017, and this is obviously a very good question and very simple. I is equal to integration pi upon 4 to 3 pi upon 4 and dx divided by 1 plus cos x, and 1 plus cos x can be written 2 cos square x by 2, is it? So this is half integration pi upon 4 to 3 pi upon 4, and this is sec square x upon 2 dx. And what is the integration of sec square x by 2? This will be obviously 10 square 10x by 2 whole divided by half, and there is another half, and the limit is from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Now this half is cancelled, and obviously we are getting 10 3 pi upon 8 minus 10 pi upon 8, is it? And 10 3 pi by 8 is equal to root 2 plus 1 minus 10 pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. So root 2 is cancelled, only this is 2. So our option is here B. So integration pi upon 4 to 3 pi by 4 dx divided by 1 plus cos x is equal to 2. This is one of the most important question, and watch carefully that this denominator cannot be factorized anyway, but you have to do another thing. Usually I always say that in the denominator, when some bracket is given and in between the bracket you have to take the maximum power in common. So first of all we shall do this one. This is 2x to the power 12 plus 5x to the power 9 as usual format, and that only inside the bracket you take the maximum power is x to the power 5. So we have to take actually x to the power 5 common, and outside there is a cube for this. Actually this is x to the power 15, and x to the power 15 times 1 plus x to the power minus 2 plus x to the power minus 5 whole cube. Now this is equal to integration to x to the power 12 divided by x to the power 15, that is x to the power minus 3 plus 5 x to the power minus 6 divided by 1 plus x to the power minus 2 plus x to the power minus 5 whole to the power 3 dx. Now we have to substitute. Let us consider that 1 plus x to the power minus 2 plus x to the power minus 5 is equal to t, this one. Okay, so if you differentiate you will find minus 2x cube x to the power minus 3 minus 5x to the power minus 6 dx is equal to dt. Okay, so friends, it will be, now see that the numerator is 2x to the power minus 3 plus 5x to the power minus 6. The minus sign will be transferred to the right side. So this is equal to integration minus dt upon, this is t to the power 3, that is equal to 1 upon 2 t square is equal to 1 upon 2 t square. T is equal to this one, so it will be 1 by x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 2 plus 1 whole square, and this is equal to 1 upon 2 times, and the LCM is x to the power 5. So x to the power 5 into 1 plus x cube plus x to the power 5 whole square plus c, that is equal to x to the power 5 whole square, that is x to the power 10 divided by 2 times 1 plus x cube plus x to the power 5 whole square plus c. Now find the option here, the option C, that is x to the power 10 divided by 2 times 1 plus x cube plus x to the power 5 whole square plus c. This is the result. Again, it is very important question taken from JEE Main 2015, integration dx upon x square into x to the power 4 plus 1 whole to the power 3/4. Some options are given. Again, you see that in this bracket, that is in between the bracket, there is x to the power 4 plus 1. You have to take maximum x to the power 4 common. So I is equal to integration dx upon x square, and if you take x to the power 4 common, and since there is a power 3/4, So actually outside you will find x cube only. 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 whole to the power 3/4. Okay, so this is equal to integration. This is x square into x cube, that means 1 by x to the power 5 dx divided by 1 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 whole to the power 3/4, and this is equal to, now you have to substitute something, that is in the denominator 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 will be substituted, and say this is equal to t. So minus 4 upon x to the power 5 dx is equal to dt. Therefore dx upon x to the power 5 is equal to dt divided by minus 4. So we have to now substitute integration. This one is dt upon minus 4, so outside minus 1 by 4, and 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to t to the power 3 upon 4. So minus 1 by 4 and integration dt divided by t to the power 3 by 4 is t to the power 1/4 divided by 1/4 plus c. This 1/4 is cancelled, minus t to the power 1/4 plus c, minus t is equal to 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 whole to the power 1/4 plus c. So make an LCM here, and it will be minus x to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus 1 whole power 1/4 plus c. Find the option. Yes, the option is C, that is integration dx upon x square into x to the power 4 plus 1 whole to the power 3/4 is equal to minus x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power 4 whole power 1/4 plus c. This is the result. Thank you.